The following contest is a triple threat tag team match. Making her way to the ring, the team of Liv and Raquel Entrance.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one. Look who it is.
And the Olympians.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is going to be good. Here comes the Unholy Union.
Yeah, and Saxton, Byron, what are you doing? Get out from under the table. We got a match to call.
Leave me alone, Corey.
And Isla Dawn and Alba Fire, the Undead.
Fire and Dawn, not a team you want to cross. Have no problem cursing the competition like actually casting curses.
Yeah, you know, Cole, I heard Saxton actually had a full head of hair before he met Alba and Isla.
Hey, I still do. A lot of it.
The Unholy Union, as dangerous as they are disturbing.
Fire and Dawn ready to conjure up a win.
Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
In a tornado tag situation, you never know how many opponents will be targeting you. The only one on your side is your tag team partner. Huge boot. Just a perfect mix of pure power and bad intentions.
Mounted palm strikes.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage.
Oh, look at head scissors. Boom! Head scissors DDT. Oh, man, by the hair. Hair whip.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just got to toss another person and make a statement.
Liv Morgan not backing down. Not now.
She's got the shoulders down. Now Raquel.
Coming to the rescue. Big forearm.
Hoisted up.
Setting it up. Boom!
And here's a cover. And she gets the shoulders up.
Really overzealous going with a pin attempt there.
She's feeling the hurt here.
Liv caught her opponent with that innovative attack.
Jawbreaker! Call it death.
Just breaking down the opponent.
Ooh, she responds with a counter.
Boom! Head first. Suicide dive!
Thunderous club comes down. Very effective. Double underhook.
Nice butterfly suplex.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
Hurricane.
And now she delivers her back into the ring.
Down on the chest.
Wrist lock.
Hooked up. Face first. Send up. The Koji clutches it.
She is trying to break out of this. Ooh, an elbow does the job.
The clubbing forearm. Right to the back of the neck.
First a knife edge chop and now continuing the attack on the knee.
Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Here at the announce desk.
What a mess. For the pin and the win. Yes.
No, she kicks out.
Obviously still has some fight left.
Super kick. Raquel has her shot lined up.
Boom, DDT.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
It's a sledgehammer. She is really fixed on doing some permanent damage.
Just caught flush. Things not going how she'd like. Meanwhile, it's elbow. Running interference.
A sound suplex. Cover.
Planted down across the back.
That could have been it right there. And did you hear the impact of that?
Jumping complete shot.
She's going for it.
Trying to end it. The breakup.
Oh, catapulting down on the opponent.
That is a power-packed punch.
Turnbuckle's the only thing keeping her upright. And Raquel Rodriguez with an epic powerbomb. Rodriguez has this wrapped up.
Dawn with a nice turnaround.
Will it be?
The pin's broken up.
I can't believe it.
Ooh, what a forearm club.
Planted with a face buster. Oh, sit-out slam.
Russian leg sweep.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Great awareness as she proves to be too quick. Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
Double knee face breaker. Broken up. And the match continues.
Ooh, what a forearm club. He's These women are ripping each other to shreds.
How are they moving? These combatants have been beaten to all hell. Able to get the advantage here. Wow, look at this. Hairpin leg slam. Boom, slam.
With authority.
Big miss right there.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment.
Draped over the top rope. Oh, nice bulldog. Sent into the corner. Kick.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Elbow fire with the goalie bomb.
For the win. 2. And now here's Raquel Rodriguez.
Guillotine applied. This one could end soon. Well, this isn't going to win the fall. Fighting desperately. Able to shrug off her opponent. Arm wringer applied. Face breaker. It is absolutely deafening in the building right now.
And Morgan simply unable to stop another onslaught of offense.
Liv now put in a position where she has to scrape and claw to regain the advantage.
That attack rattles Liv further.
Morgan has to know she's in dangerous territory.
Into a handstand splash. Wow.
Short jabs to the rib cage. Those are agonizing. Hoisted over into a suplex.
Hip drop to the gut.
Well scouted by Liv Morgan.
Round and round we go.
And that was taking the attack from the top.
She's looking for the win.
That could have been it right there. Now Raquel.
Uh-oh.
What an elbow drop.
Liv won't come back from that.
Places her right in the corner.
She has her target. Weighed and measured.
Oh, this could do it. No, didn't get it.
I'm shocked that she kicked out.
You and I both, Byron.
Oh, just dagger. Arms trapped. Will they tap? Oh, my goodness. Critical point of the match. She breaks the hold. Spinebuster.
99.
Slowly getting up, but she won't like what she's met with.
Just take a look at the WWE Universe. They know there is no better place to be than right here, right now. Kick.
Up to the top rope now. And now to look.
Inverted. Rodriguez, I know he's trying to block.
Both shoulders down. This could be the one that does it for her. The pin's broken up. A setup mat slam. That's gotta be it. There's 2. Kicking out in time.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
Back down. What a slam. Oh, put down face first. Raquel looking to establish her dominance.
Tejana bomb.
Raquel might have clinched it there. What a dominant display.
Incredible power slam. 1. The target's been acquired once more.
Down with a power bomb.
It's over. Fire is done.
2. Picked up the victory.
the team of Raquel and Liv Morgan.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
You could just sense the intensity in the air throughout this one.
Yeah, this win was well earned.